Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss about two important models regarding equivalent resistance calculation. Between these two terminals we need to calculate the equivalent resistance, let it be A and the B, and in between these two terminals we have to calculate the equivalent resistance. So before solving we need to understand what are the elements parallel and the series. Here, so whatever the potential that is present here, the same potential will appear here, that is A, and here there is no resistance in between these two, so this becomes A only, this becomes A only. Okay, so just to understand this, let it be this is C. Here 2 kilo ohms, this 2 kilo ohms and 1 kilo ohm connected to the same pair of terminals, that is A and the C, and this is connected to the A and C, and this is also connected to the A and the C. Therefore these two are in parallel, so it can be rewritten like this. Therefore 2 kilo ohm and 1 kilo ohm is in parallel, so therefore what we can write, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 2 by 3 kilo ohms we are getting. Okay, this 2 by 3 kilo ohm is in series with this 2 kilo ohms. Okay, so this 2 by 3 kilo ohm and this 2 kilo ohm is in series, therefore what you will get, that is 2 by 3 kilo ohms plus 2 kilo ohms, that is 2 plus 6 by 3, that is 8 by 3 you are getting, 8 by 3 kilo ohms. Now this 8 by 3 kilo ohms, you can see here, this 8 by 3 kilo ohms is in parallel with the 1 kilo ohm. Okay, then what you will get, 8 by 3 into 1 by 8 by 3 plus 1, which is equals to 8 by 3 into, that is 3 by 11. Simplify this, that is 3 ones are 3, 8 plus 3, 11 you are getting. Okay, so 3 cancel, therefore 8 by 11 kilo ohms you are getting. Okay, this is the equivalent resistance between the terminals of A and the B. Okay, so this is the important model, just remember this. This is the another important model. See here, between these two terminals we have to calculate the equivalent resistance, let it be A and the B, and see here, let it be this is C, and same potential appearing here, so this is D. So from the given figure, this 2 kilo ohms, this 2 kilo ohms, this 12, that is 12 kilo ohms, and this 12 kilo ohms is in parallel. Why I am saying, see here, and 12 kilo ohms connected between the terminals of C and the D, and whatever the potential that is appearing here, the same potential will appear here, so it is also connected between the terminals of C and the D. So two resistors connected between the same pair of terminals, then the equivalent resistance becomes a parallel combination of that. Okay, so here same resistors given, so same resistors given, then what happens, it becomes half. Okay, if two equal resistors connected parallel, the resultant becomes half of that resistance. Okay, that is R by 2, so the resultant becomes 12 by 2, that is 6 kilo ohms. So it can be rewritten like this. Here you see, whatever the potential that is appearing here, the same potential will appear here. So this is not C, this is B only. Same potential will appear here, so this becomes B only. Okay, between these two terminals A and B, if we calculate the equivalent resistance, that is enough. Okay, so it will appear like this. So from this figure what we can say, this is 6 kilo ohm, and you can see here this 6 kilo ohm and 6 kilo ohm is in series only. Okay, why it is so, just understand here. For example, if I current you are flowing, okay, for example I current is sending here, so in this I1 current will flow, in this for example I2 current will flow, so the same current will flow through this, and in this also same current will flow. Okay, I2 current will flow, in this I1 current will flow, so the same current is flowing through the 6 kilo ohm and 6 kilo ohm, that is why these two are in series. Therefore the resultant becomes, so it will appear like this. So this 12 kilo ohm and 4 kilo ohm is in parallel, this 12 kilo ohm and 4 kilo ohm is in parallel, then what happens, 12 into 4 by 12 plus 4, that is 48 by 16, that is 4 kilo ohms, that is 3 kilo ohms. Okay, 3 kilo ohms you are getting. So this is the equivalent resistance between the terminals of A and the B. Okay, and this is also very important model, just remember this, very important, and this model and previous model. So orally I have discussed two very important models. So this question and this question I have discussed, and these two models are very important. And see here, thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.